What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mother Nature's throwing a little curveball at us and not providing us with the snow that we need. So that's kind of putting us in the summer mood, if you will, or getting ready for summer. So we're headed to the boat right now, going to take care of a couple housekeeping items that we need to get done before spring, and some that will continue on through spring, I guess. Basically before the boat hits the water. So what we are planning to do is some little canvas repair. Having a new canvas made for the back. Actually, we have an estimate. I'm not sure if we're getting it made. I want to get it made, but stuff's not cheap. And we have the front canvas that we need to replace. Not replace, fix. And thinking about putting in a second, as I talked about last spring, putting in a second chart plotter. We got the chart plotter. There it is. But it's pretty badass. It's all touchscreen. Text messages, phone calls, everything else just pop up right on the display. Pretty smart. It's a want, it's not a need. Anyway, let's go back here. And we need to remove some canvas. I do have a quote coming to do a full camper top on this back end. I don't know if you noticed, last year we just had the one that came straight down, so it wasn't comfortable to hang out in the back when it was kind of inclement weather or anything else. It wasn't great for hosting because you're kind of hunched over, cramped. So we're looking at getting a whole new canvas made for the back. And then I have to grab the Isinglass, take that home, see if we can't get that to stretch out. I don't want to have to replace it. It was almost brand new, but it started to shrink a little bit. So we're going to try to maybe heat it up, get it to stretch, throw some weights on it. I don't know. We'll figure out something. But anyway, let's hop up in there. How are we going to get up there? Yeah, we'll get up that way. Kismet, you want to go up on the boat? You want to go on the boat? All right. Let's see if we can do this. I'm not as nimble as I used to be. Woo. There we go. Oh, we're on. All right. Go on. Hello, boat. Ooh, you're a little dirty. I don't want to have to undo all of this, but I think I have to. So on the housekeeping items, we need to replace this nozzle. Careful, Kismet. So the back canvas. So before, this zipper needs to be replaced too. So I'm going to be taking this piece home here. We're going to fix that at the house. I can't take this yet because the upholstery shop is coming out to do some measurements and they need this up to be able, the new piece will zip onto here, come straight back, and then straight down. So I can't take this one yet. They'll need this for measurements. I do have to replace this zipper. I do have a company online that I know that you can get the OEM for both sides. And then this long, actually, well, the zipper's still good there. So this is a little out of alignment. So this is just a zipper track. You can see this little track here. This zipper slides in through here. See this little tube? It's all attached. So this is just one giant slip-in zipper system that goes all the way across. So we're going to take this piece home because we have a couple zipper rips there to replace. Some minor little holes up there we're going to try to fill, but so it doesn't look too bad. But this zipper needs to be reattached. So once the upholstery shop comes back or comes out here to do their measurements, I'll come back out and I'll grab this piece. It's nice and taut. Come on and grab this piece, and then yes, I'm super stoked. I don't think I have to replace, every tooth is here. That's good. I can't get that side. Oh, there's a couple teeth that are broken off of that zipper track. All right, let's get this opened up. we got it opened up. So when I was saying I was going to add the second plotter, I wanted to put it here. So basically it'd be like that. But we'll see. I don't need the transducer and everything, so that's the UHD, Garmin UHD 93 SV. And I do have a UHD 2 with better resolution. Hammer and haw on if I want to go that route. They're both compatible. They'll both talk to each other. We'll see. Let's go downstairs. Definitely gonna need some cleaning. Oh, another housekeeping item. So this track, there's a little crack there, and the track down there is it's kind of broken. I mean, it slides nice, but I'm gonna need to replace that track. Hi, Kismet. Hi. Yeah, we don't have anybody living in here, so that's good. It's faring pretty well. Pretty sure we got... Should have left that open. That was supposed to be left open. And the cleaners. So here's the canvas. We're going to take all of this home, fix any zippers. Hot jock, isn't it? I know. I know. You're going to have to get down because you're going to get ruffled. These things do not like cold weather whatsoever. I'm going to check like this. Hopefully we can fix this at the house, like these little zippers. I'm going to try if Bex's sewing machine needle can take care of that or not. So all this is coming up. That's going home. All right. And this, don't tip over. Here's the moisture packet. That's how much moisture this thing sucked up. These things are pretty cool. So it's still working. It still has a little bit of life left in there. Hang that right there. Let's go take the canvas down. Come on. You can hang out there. All right. Now we're going to try to get this thing down. I may have to take this pole off because that's not zippered. It just slips through. Maybe easier just to take the whole frame and everything home with me. I might end up having to do that because I didn't bring a screwdriver. And this track has to be adjusted anyway. You can see the gap here to here. And there's no gap there. So this whole track has to slide that way. Whew, had to put my glasses on for that one. So this zipper kicked my butt. So this is the top side of the canopy, so the zipper's underneath. And all this little fabric stuff was from this track that I'm gonna have to replace it because it's losing, missing teeth here. Go cheeseheads. But all this fabric from this piece coming apart was getting caught in the zipper. So this should, all of this should just slide right out. Hopefully the new one goes in this easy. So there's that track. And then just a little beveled edge like that. So even though this is junk, well, it's not 100% junk, we'll keep it until I know I have the new one in there, just in case the new one doesn't show up or there's a back order. I don't want to be without a cover. I mean, we could ride without the cover. We'll just get beat by the sun.
Whose side are you on, Eddie? Mine or the Ozones? Choose one.
Put that in the home section. And now, I don't think, let's see here. I'd like to not have to take the frame home. Let's try to, I might have to take the frame home. Damn it. I'm going to put you down. I'll come back. All right, I got it. I was able to slide it off without the tools. Bringing this down, going close. What am I looking for here? Oh, there we go. That was actually wide enough to slip past these when they're together. So, whew, add that to the taking home section. Looks a little weird without the top. All right. Another little water collection. Those things are doing well. Let's getting her buttoned up. Where's Kismet? Kismet? I bet she's down in her bed. Kismet, were you in your bed? Hold on. I gotta check one there. A couple other things here. Oh, for a minute. Got scared why that was on. During the winterization process, leave it on so when it comes back to get summarized, which will be in about a month and a half. We already have our dates to go in the water. We will be in the water by first week of April. We've already scheduled the haul out from storage this third or fourth week of March. We're thinking about boating already because the weather sucks for winter. We haven't got any snow and it's been too warm. So what else are we gonna do? Think about boating. And we're gonna have to carpet clean, even though we have these protectors. All right. There we go. All right, I'm gonna put you down. I'm gonna get this off the boat, and hopefully this coat doesn't come back too much. Stuff's not cheap. Not cheap at all. She's all buttoned up. Now we gotta get down. And all the canvas fell. Wonderful. All right, we're doing it. We're gonna blow out the knees. We're jumping. You stay there, Kismet. Ooh, stop. Doesn't seem that far, but it's far. 1, 2, 3. Oh, good girl. And I'm gonna need both hands, so I gotta put you down to carry this to the car. Oh, so I don't know if you noticed or not. This boat next to us, this Mystique, or Mystic. Sorry, Mystic? Mystique. I think it's a Mystic. 400s. Beautiful boat. Center console. Huge Garmin displays. Gorgeous boat. Flutter camera on top. Sorry, I can't climb in there and show the interior because it's not my boat. No, maybe if we meet up in the summer. No, it's not right. It's not my property, so I can't go into it. I'll just film it from the outside, but gorgeous boat. Man, look at the speakers. I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not because it's pretty dark in here, but let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 speakers up top. Not sure how many, if there are any down here or not, but I bet that thing moves. We do have, hold on. There's one other thing in here that's ours. Let's go take a walk. Oh, Bessy. There's still a chance it might come out this year if we get snow. Oh, look at her. Oh, yeah. CS. I do have 3 snowmobiles. Why? I don't know. I don't know. Come on, Kismet. Now we're going to go. All right, let's get through here. There it is. All right, sleep tight. Bye-bye. All right, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully we get some snow, so Come on, Kismet. So we can have a little bit of snowboarding left in the season. Otherwise, maybe this is the official start of boating season. If it's the official start of boating season, then I guess I'm okay with that. All right, so, all right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Let up. Good girl. All right, so now that we're home, upon further inspection of the C-Track, the C-Track, it's for the zipper, that's the appropriate name, the right name to call it. It's actually in great condition. Just a few little strings, we can nip those off. Not sure what's going on there. Anyway, we should be able to. Anyway, the C-Track, I don't have to replace the entire C-Track. Awesome news. It's going to save me about $218 just for the front. We have to do the rear. It's about $370, which is, the rear one is also, after looking at this C-Track, the rear one is salvageable. So we only have to replace the starboard side section from here to there. Just this zipper. I just have to order the, I believe it's a YKK number 10 zipper. And our sewing machine at the house, once we peel this out, can do that. So we're going to try it. Any way to save money doing this myself, we're going to try to do. So boating's expensive. I know that. We know that. But we love boating. So you put money into your loves and your passions, whatever. So we're going to try to replace this ourselves. I'll keep you updated. Hopefully it works out. Like I said, keep you posted. Thanks. What's up?
You still with me?
I am.